Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for FET price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis and overview for FET for the bullish and bearish scenario. We are looking here on the daily chart for potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a leading diagonal of course for a wave of 5, where we have hit perfectly the blue box that we are expecting a bullish scenario that it might unfold, or potentially of course rebound in 3 corrective waves and then continuation toward the downside. In another scenario, of course, where we have potentially a leading diagonal here for a wave 1, 2, and you're looking here potentially to double 1, 2s, where you have an impulse, wave 2 given, and another impulse after it, and then again a wave 2 perfectly hit the blue box again between the 0.618, 0.786 taken from the wave 1 here, perfect FIB levels for a wave 2 for continuation for higher. So those are the basics or the principal bullish scenario. Another third one, which is of course a WXY finished here potentially, or it can be of course, it's a WXY because finished in a zigzag, and potentially here you have ABC as well. This can be an impulse after another impulse, of course zigzag, and we're looking at 3-wave corrective after big 3 waves, potentially moving as well for one more wave toward the upside as an A, B, and a C, unless of course again that you get a bigger correction in the short term. This is your bearish scenario where you get of course a 3 waves up continuation toward the downside for a wave C. So let's move inside this area to see if we have bottomed finally inside this blue box as expected. And so on the 4-hour chart, we are looking at, of course, at a potential ABC toward the downside. The 1-to-1 fib level taken from this wave A to the wave B has been hit perfectly, and we retraced toward the upside. Currently, we're gonna re-estimate, of course, if we are going to see, of course, further higher prices, or are we continuing toward the downside? Because, of course, we are still inside the blue box. We did not, of course, confirm yet the bullish scenario. You would like to see an impulse 1, 2, 3 breaking this high to confirm, of course, a bullish scenario. Now, basically, if we are anyway bearish, let's say this is 1, 2, and then another 1, 2, your wave 2 still need, of course, 3 waves towards the upside as explained in the overview, meaning even a rebound is expected for a wave 2 as well in case we are so bearish. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. However, in a micro, let's move to the 1-hour chart here to see what's going on. So in the micro here, in the micro, after hitting this fib level, by the way, we can remove it since we have taken it. So we are still inside this blue box. We are looking here for a wave 4, right? For after this magenta, we are looking here for 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, meaning this is your last wave of 5. Sorry, not the last one, but this is the magenta one. You still have a 1, 2 as well here potential, meaning your wave 5 here is unfolding and as 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4. Your invalidation for this wave 4 was this price. We were very, very close for it, but we did not took it as a signal, right, that we might still continue for lower unless it is taken again. But yeah, very low possibility. As you can see, we see continuation potentially for a wave 3 and finishing wave 5, then 4 and a 5 to finish a wave 3 in a bigger view, of course, which is your big 1, 2. Here we go. And your wave 3, 4 and a 5 might be a little bit deeper here, so we might expect, of course, to test even the lower part or the lowest part of this blue box. Yeah, so be careful with it. We don't have a signal yet, guys. We don't have any signal yet for bullish, especially as this has turned into WX and Y, because there is no impulse inside it. I'm gonna show you. You have a 1, 2, 3, 4 invalidation directly, meaning turning into 3 waves up, 3 waves down for X, 3 wave up for W, and looking for lower right now. So basically, we are still looking for this wave 5 here. Potential target is this one, 0.618, taken from the wave 1 to the wave 3 here, and giving us, of course, 0.34. But it's not necessarily, that's not necessarily. Don't forget that just by taking this low impulsively as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, just like this, it can finish a wave 3 exactly here, wave 5, then moving up again for a wave 4 and a 5, finishing a wave 3 potentially, and then, yeah, etc. Yeah, 4 and a 5. This might be a big wave 4 and a 5 because our wave 1, 2 there with this scenario is very big. However, if you have realized, this is gonna finish a lot of counts. Yeah, all these counts, even in the bigger view, in the overview, will be finished with this move here. Meaning, let's move again to the 4-hour chart. What does it mean? Yeah, here we go. So you're gonna finish an A, B, and a C, or potential in bearish 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. So you're expecting, of course, a wave 2 as a rebound here. In a bigger view, even, we are still inside our bullish scenarios. Yeah? Even with lower. Don't forget, this is still the blue box here. We're still, of course, looking for these scenarios as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, and of course, 3 waves up, 3 waves down, continuation toward the upside, or reversal for rebound, and then continuation for lower. Meaning, guys, this blue box still, of course, an opportunity in all case scenario, but of course, we need to finish this move toward the downside first. We cannot rush the things. And I think I explained this one time on the live stream that I don't, it's true that this is a box of opportunity, but only if you are trading with spot, right? Spot is, of course, a very nice opportunity to move with it. Because you know you can DCA, right? Whatever it happens, you can DCA and it's gonna move and rebound toward the upside. But if you are in leverage, that would be a little bit hard to trade right now. You need the signal of an impulse, correction, continuation toward the upside, breaking this high. This is what we need to see. Yep, so that was it for FET. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.